Tanya, and I'm here to show you how to record or how to create a game using Flippity.net. Before we begin, I want to show you all the different options there are for creating games on Flippity.net. These are great resources to assess your students' understanding on different topics and different age groups from elementary to seniors in high school. There's word searches, crosswords, there's a Wordle type game, bingo, a board game. But what I want to show you is this video game, this create a vintage video game. And I'm going to show you what the demo of it looks like. It is definitely vintage from what I remember from growing up. And at the beginning, you have the top mode, the default mode is a short answer. You can change that and create multiple choice questions for this. The default speed is the rabbit. You can change it to a turtle to make it much slower. So let me show you what it's like. Down here you have 5 hearts. Those are your lives. The most common element in the universe. The most common element in the body. I'm going to put a wrong answer if I can get it in there. Couldn't get it in there. But that's what it looks like when you miss one, and that's how fast the meteorite goes. So if somebody is not a fast typer, then using the slow mode is the way to go. I want to show you what the multiple choice questions look like. So here, multiple choice question at the bottom. What is the most common element in the human body? Well, now we know it because we. And what is the lightest element? I'm going to get this one wrong. Lithium, but I have on the slow mode. So just assess what your students' needs are and determine which mode you want to put the game on from there. So to create the game, we're going to click on the tab that says instructions. Please read all of these because it does tell you important information. The important thing is in red right here, do not edit any cell with a blue background because we don't want to mess up the code that is feeding into create the game. We are going to click on this template and then we're prompted to make a copy. So we'll do that. And first thing I'm going to do in creating a copy is I'm going to rename this. I'm making this for my quantitative reasoning class, which I call QR. And we're going to call this the QR video game demo. And that will be the title of our game. So here you see these were the questions that were on the sample game that we were playing with a minute ago. And we're going to take a second and we're going to and here's all the answer choices. We're going to take a second. I'm going to take a second and pause this and delete all of this. Okay, now I have all of my questions and my answers in because I'm going to do this as multiple choice. Now, I did cheat a little bit. I repeated all my questions to make sure that I have enough cells so that I don't have blank questions come up on my game. I'm going to click the tab at the bottom that says get the link here. And step by step tells you what to do. To publish my spreadsheet, I'm going to click on File. I'm going to move down to Share, and then I'm going to do Publish to the Web. And I'm going to click Publish again and OK. So now I have my link. I'm going to do Control-C to copy my link, and I'm going to bring it over here to the green bar, and I'm going to paste it there. It automatically pastes to cell 5, I'm sorry, when you finish that. And we can bookmark our Flippities. If you wanted to bookmark it on the side so that you can find it again, you're able to do that as well. So now we have our game. I'm going to click on my link to see what it looks like. This is a great review. I found spelling errors and everything else while doing this. I'm going to click the multiple choice option and I'm going to click the turtle option because these are for my students that have accommodations. I've got my 5 lives. A monthly plan for saving and spending is called what? My students should know that that is a budget. And we're going to click what is the extra cost you pay to borrow money? We should know that's interest. Again, what is money borrowed that must be repaid with interest? And I see a mistake there. So I'm going to click principal, and I will continue to go through my game, but I did see that mistake on principal. So I'm going to come back over here to my video game, and I'm going to find where that mistake was in my question. I have my answer attached to the question right here. So I'm going to delete that, and it does take, if you read down here, changes may take up to 5 minutes to appear in your activity. So if your changes don't show up automatically, and trust me, they don't show up automatically, it will show up after about 5 minutes or so. And that's it. That's how easy it is to share a game or how to create a game using Flippity.com. I hope you have fun creating your own game.